Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by unlocking the device and opening settings so you can act immediately. Once in settings, go to Apps or Apps and Notifications to see installed items. You want to locate the exact app entry labeled GetOutlook for Android, so you remove the right package. This prevents accidentally uninstalling other mail apps. Make sure you note whether it's a user-installed app or pre-installed. That determines the next available actions and whether you see uninstall or disable. You now tap the app entry and check the available buttons. If uninstall appears, tap it and confirm to remove the app and its data. If uninstall is grayed out, choose disable to stop background activity and remove updates, which acts like removal for pre-installed apps. If the app resists, do force stop, then clear cache and clear data, and attempt uninstall or disable again. This sequence clears running processes and temporary files that block removal. You finish by rebooting the device to ensure system resources refresh and any residual components are cleared. This finalizes the change and prevents ghost icons. If you later need the app, reinstall from Google Play Store. If uninstall fails, make sure you removed any linked accounts from settings accounts, then retry. Sometimes an account lock prevents removal. If problems persist, check device admin apps and revoke permissions. Then repeat the uninstall or disabling steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.